Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can show the captions in your videos in frame by word animations by using the CapCut mobile. So here I'm going to show you how you can use the frame by word caption effect. So here, what you need to do is add the video that you want to edit, and don't forget to generate the caption first. So go to text and just use the auto caption. Don't forget to choose the language source and also the sound source. Click on generate and wait for CapCut to finish generating the captions. Okay, so after that, to change to show it frame by word, you can see this is shown sentence by sentence now. So what you need to do is just click on one of the caption, go to style, and here go to animation, click on the caption, and don't forget to make sure that you check this circles right here so that the animation that you choose will be applied to all of the outer captions. So just scroll down until you find the frame by word animation. Okay, this one's right here. Click on the frame by word, and here I'm going to change the font first. Let's try to change it into the rubric. Click on the check icon, and now this is the result.
My daughter, the main thing in my mind is trying to be a
Okay
good
guys,
example to
so
her.
that's
That's why I'm
how
even
you can add a frame by word animations to the captions in your video by using CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.